Hi there, or oh, whoops. So, today I will, okay, never mind. Uh, I will clean the mess uh, in the code, and uh, wait, please. So, in the last stream, I worked on the inventory and on the dragging. So it's nice. It's nice. So I want to rearrange the code on this stream. It will take probably like half an hour, and then let's see. I have no plans for that when it comes to never mind. So we have a start for the game, like the basics, the basic mechanics for the inventory, which is great. It just works how it should work. So, do I have the sound right? Do I have the sound right? Yes. So, and I will probably add a start scene. So, and some buttons. So that's the plan. So first, in the player, we have some things. So like this. Oh, okay. Control X is something I need. Okay. No, the states node get children. Basic state machine change state. State machine. Apply movement. Get input direction should not have the target speed declaration. Only the So it will return input direction is vector 2. Return input dir. Control C. Now so input there is get input there, or maybe not. Whoops. Like this, and now are you serious? Target speed is input direction times speed. So that's how it's done, I think. It should work. It works. So hold on, start state machine, change state. State machine. Now get input direction. The vector for direction declaration. The grammatics aren't exactly right, I think. That's not. That's not. Never mind. So physics process, apply movement. So it will just move the player by speed in get input direction. Move and slide. Update the state part of the state machine. Okay. That feels more like I know what I am doing. Now the weapon script. I forgot how it's done. The basic variable declaration, the export variable declaration, the onReady variable declaration, and now the variable declaration, the basic variable declaration, input. Handle the shoot. Handle the shoot input. Mouse left button, or maybe not. Now the function shoot can shoot called handle shooting bullet sprite, one shot particles, for reload time. I will not do that. Bullet sprite. That feels more like what I want. Bullet sprite modulate. This will not be here, but here. spawn bullet spawn direction times weapon offset is right. This shouldn't be here. Get tree, get connect, add shard bullet. Spawn position. Spawn bullet. Now this goes out. Reload timer, start fire rate. Starts timer for reload time. Now the process can delete that. So this is 45. Rotation is this. Var 45 degrees. Oh. Huh? The 45-degree of rotation offset. So it's the weapon. So weapon rotation offset. And it's this. Weapon rotate. This is too much. Weapon rotation offset. Weapon rotation offset. This is more clean and more like can be easily changed. Mouse direction. Rotation. Handle. Rotation of the weapon. Called to enable enable shooting after reload time. Okay. This not now. So the already variable declaration set player variable in the hud.gd. Item data. Every data for every item in the game. Unique unique name like Glock. Whoops. Glock shotgun. The texture of the item. Oh, it should. How do I add a description for this? How do I add a description to the inspector? No, oh no, to the variable in the inspector how do I add a description for the variable for the custom variable in the inspector with code? Export group plus export subgroup. Oh, okay. If I do this, if I do it like this, Yes. Huh. Oh. Yes, it's working. The text showed item, unique name. Oh, that's nice. Uh, default stack. Mm, default stack. Maximum stacking for the item. Oh, this is nice. I like this. This? Wait. In the... Where do I... Preview. In HUD. Item registry items. Yes. Don't know what to say there. Am I streaming? Probably. Probably. That's nice latency. Like in the I thought it was like 5 seconds, but it's like 3, 2. Hmm. Okay. But why isn't anyone here? That's not the correct word thing. Twitch. Hmm. View your channel. Live. Oh, what to say there? Art. Okay. So, change state to run if moving. Called on function. Enter. Called on function 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 exit. Called every physics frame. Oh, I have it wrong. There. Physics update. Update the state. Update the physics physics in the state. Sorry. So the idle called every physics frame, called on function exit, called on function enter, the idle state. So now the run state. The run state player moves. Okay, I will just copy these things. Huh. Yes, I'm sorry. So, physics update. Every physics update okay. Handle walking animations. Walking animations animations. So okay. Change state, how it's in change state to run. And there change state to idle when not moving. Player.velocity and the player, when do I, okay. This control W, control game manager. Handle global things. Auto load. Audio manager. Handle global sounds. Auto load. Bullet. The export variable declaration, the onReady variable declaration, the onReady, the basic variable declaration. This is the bullet. Start the timer for despawn. Physics process. Move the bullet. Q3 called so the bullet will despawn. What did I do? Okay. Sorry. So called when bullet hits something. Can recognize the group of the object. Now HUD. The HUD handles progress bars, health, inventory. Divisible. That's not how it's said. Turn the bottom left weapon icon invisible. Turn the inventory invisible. Give the inventory some slots. The number is how it's said. How much the slots are there. The number is the range is how much slots will the inventory have. Now add the slot to as child to grid container. This assigns to how to say that assigns proper data for to this will in get content get chart slot item data item icon. Okay. Set the player variable by main.gd script. Toggle inventory called when E is pressed. Is just pressed or pressed? Just pressed, I think. Cause this is working and never mind. Called when E is just pressed. If inventory visible true. If is the inventory visible, turn it invisible, and there if is the inventory invisible, turn it visible. That's what I wanted. Oh, and this turn it in starts the no. This will stop every any and okay, any shoot action for player. Calls toggle inf on E pressed. I'm doing this so I have better feeling about the code. So now I have the bullet, the game manager, HUD idle, item data, item registry, main, player, run, slot. Okay. Oof. inventory, slot, handles the track and 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 huh and and oh, okay, this is fine. And and oh, I have, where was it? Where was it? Huh? There? Yes. Okay. Handles the drag and drop for the items. So the already variable declaration, the basic variable declaration, declare. Okay. So now I need to think. Get drag data. Called when starts player starts dragging some slot. If the slot doesn't contain anything, return. Okay. Turn. Okay, the icon is kinda, it's the part of the item data. So, not icon, the slot texture. Okay. Then the slot texture invisible, then sets the okay, icon HUD. Okay, not okay. Okay. Okay, it's working. That's nice. It's not working. That's not nice. Someone is doing something. Okay. Slot texture. Okay. Oh. Slot texture. Slot texture. Slot texture. Okay. Now it's working again. So now we are in the slot. Sets the preview, huh? Pre of the drag action, and then returns. So it's one time call. Oh. I need to check something. Okay. Now, can drop data. When is called can drop data? Called when and when. When is called can drop data. If I when I think it's called when I let the left mouse button go. Called at the end of the at the drop. Okay. It returns the data. Okay. Now drop data. Called if when drop accepted 0. Called if the drop succeeded. Did swap items. Oh, drop accepted. What does this do? Does this do? If not true, it resets on. Oh, on. Is it checking if the inventory has the item? By the way, mgrim25. Hi. I don't know what you mean by now. Called if the drop succeeded. Drop data. Is it checking if the inventory has the item? I don't really know. I'm doing this game. If you want to, if you want to know, the textures I didn't make the textures by myself. Only the bullet. And I have the working inventory, which is really nice, I think. Okay, and on the stream I am just making the code clean and tidy, so I know what so I know where is what is where. Where was I? Where were I? Never mind. My English isn't that nice. Sorry, I'm new to your channel and still a beginner at programming, just trying to understand it too. Oh, nice. I'm beginner too. I'm just a new noob who is trying to do some game. This is my, well, second game in the GODOT or GODOT. Don't know how to say it properly. I have this after like 7 streams, I think. And the plan is a survival top-down survival game where you craft some weapons by like gather materials, craft weapons, so you can survive. I want to have 4 biomes at least, working AI, like the enemies, and that's pretty much done. what I want, and the game will be on each when it will be done. Each dot yo yo yo. Okay. I will just let this be like how it is. If dropping in the same slot like swap items. Swap items. Swaps the whole data of each slot item. And this is done by ChatGPT, so I will for now try to understand it. So it creates variable temporary data with the item data, the current item, which is current item. Which one is the current item? If I do this. If I just move it, so it just swaps the two slots, and in the second slot there is nothing, so it swaps something with nothing. Did I check? They are. Okay. So the temporary data is the item data. The item data then rewrites the rewrites, I think, the item data from the slot, and then it just swaps out. Oh, it swaps the data, like from the when I do this. So from this slot, it just changes data with this slot. Okay, that's nice. I'm just trying to understand my own code. Okay. Notification. This I want this to be just temporary, but because if I do print notificated, so it call when the drag ends, it calls this function if the drop is not accepted. So it just fails. It's because of the Godot control things how it works, just how it works. But it calls it there. It calls it by 22 times. And that's not nice. Because if I want there to just add or add a life, like if I were about to never mind, I think. I I just forgot what I wanted to say. So now we have pretty much okay. Only this calls the monitors notifications. Now fails call on drop failed function. Now there on drop failed. Called when the drop fails. So it turns the icon to visible. When I do this, so it fails, it turns it back to visible, which is what I want. So I think the code is pretty much for a reload for a reload time. Okay, don't know what I already don't know what I meant what I meant by this explanation for this. GG. Spawns bullet. There must be SS. Okay. Spawn position spawn. I think. Oh. It's better there or like if I do it like this. There or there. If I do this, I can hide it. And I want that. But if I do this, I will know what the function does, even if it's closed. I will let that be this way. So, this is nice. I want to show something. Oh. That's not the fire rate I expected, I guess. This way? Yes. Okay. I think that's all from this stream, because I don't want to start anything more complex. Yes, I am jak se řekne oddalovat? Překladač. Oddalovat. Oddaluju. Distance? Never mind. I forget what I wanted to say. So, if you want to... If you want to... If you want to support me or just want to see how this goes, you can subscribe if you want. I'm just a small streamer who wants every subscriber. And I have a Discord channel. It's currently in the Czech language, like from Czech Republic, where I'm from. So you will understand pretty much. You will understand pretty much. Okay. Maybe the link. And maybe this channel, but if you want, you can. So I'm just... Never mind. Again. Hope you enjoyed, and see you later. Stream ended. I subscribed. I will try to keep up with your progress. Keep up the good work. Thanks. Thank you very much. So, bye. Okay, I need to stop the stream. How? I don't know. Okay, there. Bye.